In today's lecture, we covered the fundamental units and supplementary units. Meter is the unit of length, and length is the distance of separation between 2 points. Now, look at the definition of 1 meter and see that how much it is precised. 1 meter is equal to 1650763.73 wavelengths in vacuum of the radiation from krypton isotope of mass 86. The number of wavelengths of light in a given distance is measured by a device called optical interferometer. Krypton 86 isotope can be obtained relatively easily and cheaply in pure form, so the unit is easily reproducible. It is well defined and is not affected by time or variation in physical condition. Yet a new definition of meter was adopted in 1983 at the 17th Journal Conference of Weight and Measures. Taking the velocity of light in vacuum, that is 299792458, that is 1 meter is the length of the path traveled by the light in vacuum in 1 by velocity of light of a second. The kilogram is the unit of mass. Quantity of matter contained in a body is called mass. The kilogram is the mass of prototype cylinder of platinum iridium alloy preserved at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. It is a photograph of the prototype of 1 kg of mass kept at National Physics Lab, New Delhi, which is a copy of international prototype maintained at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres in France. Second is a unit of time interval elapsed between two successive repetition of same phenomena. SI unit of time is second. 1 second is the time taken by 91926317770 oscillations of the light emitted by a cesium-133 atom. Based upon this definition, atomic clocks have been developed which read time to very high accuracy. The vibration of cesium atom maintained the time interval of a second. Ampere is the unit of current. 1 ampere is a current which when maintained in each of the two straight parallel conductors of infinite length, negligible area of cross-section placed at 1 meter apart in vacuum produces a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter between them. Mean to say they are the two conductors of infinite length and distance between these two conductors is 1 meter. Area of cross section is negligible. Then the current flowing in them is said to be of 1 ampere if they produces a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter between them. 1 mole is the unit of quantity of matter and it is the amount of substance which contain as many elementary entities, that is the atoms, ions, molecules, etc. as there are atoms in 0.012 kg of isotope of C12 of pure carbon. 1 mole is equal to 6.022045 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. It is also called Avogadro constant. In simple words, temperature is the degree of hotness and the coldness of the body. And the SI unit of the temperature is Kelvin. And 1 Kelvin is the 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamical temperature of the triple point of water. Triple point of water is the temperature at which ice, water and water vapor coexist. Unit of the luminous intensity is candela. Luminous intensity means light intensity. Light intensity is measured in candela. In SI system, there are the two supplementary units. The first supplementary unit is radian. Radian is used to measure the plane angle. Plane angle is the angle subtended by an arc at the center. See here AB is an arc and the angle is subtended at the center is theta. So the plane angle is equal to the arc AB upon radius. See the length of the arc AB is L, then theta equals to L by R. If length of the arc is equal to R, then theta is equal to R upon R, and which is equal to 1 radian. So 1 radian is the angle subtended by an arc whose length is equal to the radius. The next supplementary unit is steradian. Steradian is used to measure the solid angle. Solid angle is defined as the ratio of area of spherical surface intercepted about the center to the square of its radius. It is the center. Taking it as a center, suppose we draw the two spheres. One from this point and the another one is from this point. And it is the area intercepted at these 2 points. Say this one is at a distance r1 and this sphere is at a distance r2. Then this angle is a solid angle and it is defined, it is represented as area intercepted. See this one is the area intercepted and it is ds1. Then the ds1 upon r1 square is equal to the solid angle. Or see this is area ds2. So solid angle equals to ds2 upon r2 square. If ds1 equals to r1 and ds2 equals to r2 square and ds1 is equal to r1 square, then solid angle equals to 1 steradian. Is 1 steradian. So 1 steradian is the solid angle made by a normal surface whose area is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere which cuts the cone. Thank you and have a nice day.